In this lesson, we'll learn the final three katakana characters, wa, o, n. The first character we'll learn is wa. 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 Which of these characters is wa? Wa. Waffle. Waffle. Hawaii. Hawaii. Dry flower. Dry flower. The next character we'll learn is o. 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 Since o is used as a particle, we very rarely see the katakana o. Which of these characters is o? O. The final character we'll learn is n. 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 Note that the character n looks very similar to the character so. When writing n, you'll want to make sure that the first stroke is horizontal and the second stroke is written from the bottom up. Which of these characters is n? N.トンネル。トンネル。ハンカチ。ハンカチ。オレンジ。オレンジ。We learned the characters wa, o, n. In the next lesson, we'll go over the small ya, you, yo characters. See you in the next video!